Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is ncasbest.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till the end because we are going to share unbiased review within few seconds. And people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. So let's check out the detail. ncasbest.com is an American-based online shopping portal that avails its customer of branded and trendy shoes at cheap prices. The products that can be purchased from this online store are Adidas shoes, Nike shoes, Air Jordans, and Supreme. When we are going further to our research, we got to know that the domain of NKS Best was created a month ago. We also found that there is no activity on social media, but there are many questions in mind, either it's late or a scam website. So we are going to share the specification of nksbest.com. It has HTTP secured protocol. You can avail branded and trendy shoes from the store. The processing time is about 3 to days at least, and order will be delivered between 3 to 4 days. A 7-day exchange policy is made available. Order cancellation is available. The company claims to provide free shipping on all international orders. The company can be contacted through the following email address, like that is sport@jordanline.info, which is not matching the domain name and it is not a positive sign. No contact details can be found on their official website. The positive point of using nksbest.com are the products offered by this website are in a great variety. The website offers free shipping on international order. Many offers are also provided by the website. Basic policies are provided by nksbest.com to the customer. SSL certificate is valid of this website. The negative point of using nksbest.com are the user interface of this website is extremely poor. No information on contact details, company's address, and honor details are mentioned on official portal. The trust rank of this site is only 1%. The company charges 4% order cancellation fees. No social media account could be found. There were no reviews about this website. So the question is NKS Best legit? As it is our responsibility to verify websites authenticity as a customer, so we are here to help you that to check out the legitimacy. As we have discussed, it was created month ago, dated on 22nd July 2021. It lacks customer honors information and address and contact details. No social media account could be linked found for this website. As we all know that customer reviews and feedbacks are a best tool or information that can help you spot a fake or authentic website, because these reviews can be unbiased and are provided by experienced user of a website. You can get to know products that is being offered by the site and also the response of the company on query. But after deep research, we could not found any review regarding ncasbest.com provided by any customer or user, as this website lacks many key factors from calling it a legit website. Hence this website is not meant to be used. This website is currently too young and has many negative points, so you can go with other authentic website for your shopping. And from our point of view, we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from nksbest.com. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do write about your personal experience in the comment box. We love to hear from you.